All right. We should be live. I don't know. Let me check 1 second if audio is okay. So as always, stream that is not scheduled, which is okay. I just hate editing videos, fam. So people that cannot watch it can just rewatch it later on YouTube. So let me see if we're actually live or not. Okay, we are live. Let me check audio. Is it if it's okay? Let's see. All right, there is no echo. All right, perfect. We can start. So brief update on BTC. So what's going on? We were long since 57k, and this is an update of the last video, the BTC trade update that is also on the broadcast channel on Instagram. I will make it public. I kept it unlisted. I will make it public anyhow. We pumped toward the first level, which is 62k, which was 62k, and here we got a rejection. So actually, let me close something over here really quickly so we don't lag. All right. So what happened? We pumped to 62k. Hopefully, we were waiting for 65k, which was the 78.6 Fibonacci level, but we got a rejection from 62k. So try to hedge a bit on this channel, on this basically choppy price action we had this weekend basically. Pre-market for stock market was green. Now stock market just opened, as you can see here, Dow Jones Index, S&P, Nasdaq. Gold is rallying higher today, and BTC is following. What's nice to see is actually Ethereum outperforming BTC. So for once, actually altcoins are breathing a bit of air. So they're kind of having a sort of relief from the crash of last week. So now we tapped this first level. If we crack this level, I mean, we would have formed, a lower low if we would have went to the next level around 54k. So glad to see. We need to, of course, stay above that level. Otherwise, as I've said also on Twitter, on the last post, yes, we bounced. Yes, I'm long since roughly 58.5 to 58.6k. But we need to, of course, flip this level. If we don't flip this level, yes, we could come back down here, retest, go higher, or also if we just get the rejection from here and break this level over here, we're gonna just go back down over here. So all in all, the choppy price action we had over here, we just have it over here on this channel, right? So we need to see where we go now, essentially. So that's the brief update for BTC. And we bounced for now 57k level, and yeah, hopefully we go for that tap at 65, 66k. If not, both scenarios are kind of bearish for me. I'm not quite convinced in this run to the upside. I think we might see a run to the lows again. So either here or we go higher. Both scenarios are of, I think, another pullback before we go higher. So for Ethereum, nothing much to say. I said I was long, and unfortunately before this rally higher, stops got triggered. My PC is lagging. Anyhow, we are at resistance. If we manage to flip this level, we've been trying for 3 times already, and we managed to flip it and don't fall down back into the 2.5k area. As I've said, I have the target of at least this area over here, which is from 2.850 ish to potentially up to 3k. I think I would be happy to see it in 2.8, 2.9k, potentially weak into 3k before seeing another rejection. All in all, it depends. We're mid-August. It depends if they cut rates before September. I would turn definitely more bullish than bearish. But until then, as I've said, we have a higher probability of going down due to everything going on in the market. So as of now, everything we see is sort of a relief bounce. And as I've said, we're trading level by level. The only thing is the level we're in are pretty tricky for BTC and also Ethereum. So either, as I've said, sit on your hands or long, short, depending on your view of the market, with a very tight stop loss. So this is an update of the last video, and as I've said, either we finally bounce from here, we go to the target higher, or from here we reverse. All in all, even if you go to the target higher from 65.6k to 66.5k, so around these levels over here, I will be looking for shorts. Hopefully we don't get stopped here and we just go over here, and here we flip bias, or we just start going down from the rejection we could potentially have over here. So yeah, stops are break even, so all in all, we're chilling. So let's see what this week brings us, and basically that's it for the update, fam. Nothing much to say. That's it. Hope you liked it. See you on the next live